Hyssop. Now this is amazing for so many reasons. This is one of the first blends that I ever purchased besides my kit because it came on my Zytoscan that day. Now hyssop is so amazing for so many different reasons, but after doing more research on why it made me feel the way it did and what it has to it for beneficial properties, it floored me. Now hyssop was used by Romans to protect themselves emotionally. It cleanses, purifies, and even forgives sin. No wonder I needed it. The emotional response pattern to this is awesome. And this actually can stand for swallowing emotions. I don't know if you do that, but I have a habit of doing that. And at the time that this came up on my Zytoscan, I wasn't telling a family member how I really felt about a situation. And I think that this, for me personally, was just God telling me that I needed to speak my heart and speak my truth. But this is amazing, and I love it just inhaled. I like it in a diffuser. I like it on my diffuser necklace. But inhaling this, it just gives me the benefits. It's very sweet and a little bit woodsy at the same time. So here's what it's in. Hyssop is in ImmuPower and Relieve It. They both have hyssop in them. This is mentioned 12 times in the Bible. And the thing that I found most interesting and that really humbled me through researching this is that Jesus was actually offered a fragrant branch of hyssop in the last minutes of his death. So if you think about that, think about this is one of the last things that was smelt. It just really hits my heart personally. Hyssop is purifying and warming. The mind benefits is that it's meditation, it's good for meditation, and that it's great for creativity. There's a great documented usage and benefit of spiritual and emotional connection as well as well-being. So I love hyssop for these reasons. I also use it on my wrist sometimes, and I do use it according to the VitaFlex chart. So check it out sometime, but I love hyssop.